Oh, very, that's great. That's great. Okay, tonight we are joined by several people. Mind mapping the entire event. If you don't know what a mind map is, that's great. You're gonna see one is Manix De Duque. He's from the military, and he's gonna do a mind map for us. If Manix, you can talk, go ahead and say something. If not, that's okay. So whenever I'm not showing any slides, Manix will show to you the live mind map. The mind map shows you a graphical view of what's gonna happen today. And the second person joining us today is Marvin Makatol. Marvin, are you there? You can say something aloud because I got speakers.
Yeah, yeah, I'm here. I'm
Yeah.
here.
So Marvin, tell
I'm
us a
here,
little.
guys. Thanks.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about yourself first.
Yeah, I'm Marvin. I live in Quezon City. I used to live in Calamba, um, and I came from Cagayan de Oro City. I don't know if anybody is from those areas. And I work full time as a social media specialist through a company that is based in Singapore. I specialize in social media ROI, return on investment, and that's what I do full time. I also coach people who want to go into online, and I'm a father of. I'm a head of a family of two kids. I have a lovely wife who's from Bulacan, and we've been married for more than 10 years already, and we've been staying at home for the past 3 years, basically. And it's a great life. Yep.
Okay,
I
that's
think that would
great.
be all for now.
Yeah, Manix who's gonna do the mind map. Marvin is going to help me answer questions because if you guys have attended my previous webinars, I really am very bad at answering questions. So so the Marvin will be reading your questions. He's gonna select the stuff I'm going to answer. If he knows the answer, he's gonna answer it for me. Is that right? So otherwise,
Sure.
he will be the one reading the questions. Can you see the questions now, Marvin? Yung mga
Uh,
type nila. If not, I'm gonna
okay,
change your
sorry.
designation. Look for
Yeah.
questions if you
No,
can see. You don't?
no, I don't. I don't
Okay,
see.
I'll
I don't
just
see
make
anything.
you admin. Okay, now today's topic is called. Everybody type what's today's topic. At pang ilan na to? Everybody type it in. Okay. Hey Marvin, you have electric fan? It's flying. You know, it's hitting your.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry,
Yeah.
sorry, sorry, sorry. Just a second.
Alam na namin yung sound na yan. So everybody, this is Jomar Hilario, and we are on the third session of our beautiful YouTube plus Facebook equals your money, part three, step by step webinar. I will teach you how to make big money from Facebook and YouTube, even Twitter. However, some of you are actually inclined to make small money. I don't mind, but today's topic is not small money. Anybody here not interested in small money? Is anybody here interested in the big money formula? So this is a big money formula here, okay? If you're interested, say yes, I'm interested in the big money formula. And you are looking at the mind map being done live by Manix. Right? So if you're interested in big money, this is the formula tonight. I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do step by step. If you're happy with step by step, say yes. Step by step is happy. Type in the word yes because I wanna see, I wanna see you guys say something. Hey Marvin, I'm gonna mute you a bit muna
Sure. No
and then
problem.
we'll bring you back mamaya. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So that's it. That's all step by step tonight. So you're not gonna find this stuff out there. And if you find it, it's not framed in the right way. So normally you'll just ignore it. This is the catch with information online. If you see it and you say, okay, nice, I can do that, and you say you say you know about it, but if you don't see it in the right frame of mind, you see a formula for success, you don't see it in the right frame of mind, then you don't implement. If you don't implement, there is no success, right? So anybody here interested in implementing, say yes, I want to implement. Go ahead. This is your time to work. No, right mindset. You want to implement. Type the word I want to implement. Hey, Jomar, I don't want to type anything. uh you will you will type something, okay? Because without the right mindset, this is just going to be another one of those blog posts you will see, and the blog post says, hey, you do this, it's clever, and then you'll say, oh yeah, I agree, it's clever, but you don't want to implement. It's not going to work out for you, okay? So you have to have that desire. Type the word desire to implement. Desire, type the word desire. You need to type the word desire to implement. And when you think of desire, you always think of X-rated stuff. That's okay. That's okay. At least, at least you're thinking that way. At least you're thinking in the right way. Because then there is desire, X-rated stuff. There is something happening, right? There's something happening. If you're just interested, like some of you here, you're just interested. It's not gonna work. Now let's step back a bit. I'm gonna take control of the Manix, I'm going to take control of the system again and put some slides in. So you're not going to see the mind map while I'm doing slides. If I notice I'm not doing any slides, then Manix will can just take over. Okay. So actually, let me make myself the presenter and let's start with a review. Anybody wants a review? Anybody interested in the review from the previous two webinars? Free webinars, of course. You want a review, right? Yeah, very short review. Actually, we're not going to go to the review immediately because there's something even more important. Here it is. First things first. Before the review, here it is. Hi. Hi. It is. Please read. Your personal philosophy is the greatest determining factor in how your life works out. I will read again. Your personal philosophy is the greatest determining factor in how your life works out. A lot of you have seen this before. Have you seen this before? Do you understand what it says? And if you do, I want you to type in your personal philosophy right now. You say, okay, I understand what it is. So fine. Tell me your personal philosophy in life. Some philosophies are very simple. You stole it from sports. You say, no gain, no pain. Your personal philosophy is the greatest determining factor in how your life works out. So one of the philosophies in life would be no gain, no pain, no gain, right? So is that it? So what's your personal philosophy? How about you? And if even if the screen is slow, you know, I'm still gonna wait for you to answer this question because normally people don't have any personal philosophy. Oh, who is this? This Ivan is good philosophy. Sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Very good. Sheila says everyone matters. Sophia said just do it and believe it works. And Max says live and let live, though I have no idea what that means. And Sheena says from Jim Rohn, work harder on yourself than on your job. Okay. And Lilibet says, if there's a will, there is inheritance. Away. And X said, work harder on yourself than on your job. Jeff said, do it or do not. There is no try. That's from Yoda. And Irene says, don't stop believing from Glee. And JR said, what your mind can conceive, your body can achieve. And that is from the Think and Grow Rich. Reference said, my perseverance will prevail, tough times will don't last, tough people do, from Maricel. Lori said, seize every moment. By the way, if you're listening to this and you're bored, this means you don't have a personal philosophy. Pick one. You need this. Pick one. Jamar, I thought we're talking about YouTube. Yeah, this is how we start. Okay, this is how we start. This is always how things start. If you have no personal philosophy, you will follow anyone. You'll just go and follow anyone. That's where cults come from. Okay, so be careful if you're living life without one. So dream, believe, achieve, and fire and move forward. That's from Lord. Sooner or later, those who win are those who think you can. That's from Rowena again. Whatever it takes to go for it, I'll go for it. That's great. Albert, apply what you have learned. Mina loves God loves you the way you are, but God does not want you to stay that way. He wants you to be like Jesus. Very good. Don't wait for things to happen to go out. Make it happen. Dream Fears by Jasmine. You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start in order to be great by Nath. And King, I think from Baguio says, whatever you think you can, either way you are right. That is from this is from Ford. Yeah, the guy who invented the car. Do your best, God will take care of the rest. Dodgy. Live, love, and laugh. Cherry. If I say I don't understand it. Okay. You know it right when it feels right. That is Flor de Liza. Very dangerous philosophy because it's based on emotion. Do your best and God will do the rest. It's not about winning the game, it's about how you play it. From Sheila. Crystal, aspire, perspire, and inspire. Also don't understand that. Dream big and take little steps from Maria Leslie. Take every choice, drop every fear by Furloughs. Awesome stuff. From from Cons, if you learn something that is worth sharing, don't just keep it to yourself. And Amy says everything happens for a reason. Okay. So you guys have like very good philosophies. Let's hope you guys get to improve these philosophies from the inputs that you will get from today. Okay, Jomar, is this a philosophical webinar? Everything I do is a philosophical thing, including the seminar. So welcome to this world. Okay. So if you don't go after what you want, you'll never have it. From Jay Sari from Cagayan de Oro. Audi says an ambition without knowledge is like a boat on dry land. You must make a choice to make chance or you will never change. So that's from Anna. I'm gonna confirm. Everybody say yes if you can actually hear something because I'm not sure. All right. Somebody says no sound. All right, they can hear me. So if you can't hear anything, then everybody knows the backup. So sorry about that, Manix. Hindi kita pinakita. Next time, I'll just be more conscious in assigning you into becoming the presenter. Manix, if you can hear this, I'm gonna make you organizer so you can actually take over and become the presenter. So when I'm not showing any slides, you can just go ahead and take over and become the presenter. Okay, ikaw na mismo. Right-click yourself and make myself a presenter. You can do that. So I don't have to manually do it. Okay? So right now, it's back to me again kasi I'm gonna show slides again. Okay? So super important. I hope you guys enjoyed that exposure. And those of you who I got some I gave some feedback. Um, try not to take it personally. Some philosophies are better than others. Really, type the word better. Your job is to come up with better philosophies so your life is better. Do you Are you guys interested in a better life? Anybody? Say, are you interested in a better life? Yes. So you have to come up with a better philosophy. So if you heard me and I said, I don't understand your philosophy. So maybe personally, okay, personally, I don't I don't like it, or personally, it can be still be improved. Okay,